little friends. Welcome to the Xekids.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Xekids. In today's video, we will teach you how to draw rabbit. First we draw his tail, then draw his ears, then hand, draw the body and legs along with double outline. Then draw the face, draw a second ear, and here are his mouth. And nose, and eyes, draw eyebrows, then make tummy, finally draw leg and hand fingers. And it's done. Ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.